Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Hunting Technologies and Vapor Blast Manufacturing, and today we are going to be looking at how dry blasting affects the surface finish on aluminum. We have our sample piece of aluminum under here. Under the microscope, we have a picture of how it looks before, and we have the surface roughness at 2.34. So we're going to hit this with an aluminum oxide and a dry blast, and we'll be right back with the final result. So we are back with our final finish. Now we used an aluminum oxide on this piece of aluminum. Obviously you can see the lines that were there before are no longer there. So it's gonna give you more of that jagged edged and prepped finish for, let's say like a black anodize or maybe a layer of paint. So the surface roughness is 1.73. So it did decrease it a little bit with the dry blast setup, but not a whole lot. But you can see that the actual surface finish on the part is a lot different than it looked before. So we went from just a cut piece of metal to now a finished piece of metal with more of a surface profile that's prepped for paint. It's very, very much so more consistent in the way that it looks as well. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call here. Our number is 828-202-5563.